On the 24th of December 2004, a natural phenomenon, a tsunami, occurred in the Indian Ocean. However, this was a somewhat extraordinary occurrence, as it was so large that its effects were disastrous for the whole of Southeast Asia. In this program, we will try and explain what happened. A tsunami is a huge tidal wave created by the forces of an earthquake which has occurred underwater. Tsunami is a Japanese word with the English translation harbour wave, represented by two characters. The character Tsu means harbour, while the character Nami means wave. Earthquakes occur throughout the world and are created by movements in the Earth's plates. The intensity of an earthquake is measured in the Richter scales. Throughout history, earthquakes have shook this earth. In December 2003, the world witnessed an earthquake in Iran, killing approximately 26,000 men, women and children. If we compare the intensity of the Southeast Asian earthquake to ones which have occurred in the last few decades, we can determine that it is much larger than its predecessors, reaching 8.9 on the Richter scale, possibly the largest since 1900. The Southeast Asian tsunami was created when a movement occurred in the Earth's plates. The earthquake created an enormous crevice under the waters of the Indian Ocean. There was then a vertical displacement of the Earth's crust along the rupture. The force of the water's movements as a result of the seabed deformation generated a huge wave which then travelled at high speeds across the vast Indian Ocean. In the open ocean, tsunami waves travel at speeds of 600 to 800 kilometers per hour, but their wave heights are usually only a few centimeters and look calm. As they approach shallow waters near a coast, the speed of the waves slow down, but the height of the waves will increase to many meters, and thus they can become very destructive. From the earthquake's epicenter, the water's force gathered strength, and soon this tsunami threatened the surrounding countries, overspilling onto the beaches, the land, people's homes, and uprooting everything which made contact with it. Overwhelming devastation followed.
Another one. There's an even bigger one out there. It's very bad. Stand for a river, brother.
Countries affected include Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, Malaysia, Maldives, Nicobar Islands. Effects were also experienced in the east coast of Africa. As a result, more than 150,000 people have died and millions left homeless.